exercise such powers and must perform such duties as are conferred or imposed upon him or her under the Act and or any other law, and must obey all lawful directions which he or she may receive from a person having authority to give such directions. And an investigator under subsection 2 has the same powers as a peace officer or a police official as provided for in the Criminal Procedure Act. And they, therefore, in terms of that section, have the power to investigate offenses, the ascertainment of bodily features of an accused, powers of entry and search of premises, the seizure and disposal of articles, arrests, the execution of warrants, the attendance of an accused person in court, and the service or execution of any subpoena or summons. And 3, an investigator has the same powers as if he or she had been appointed deputy sheriff or deputy messenger or other similar officer of the court. So they do derive their functions from the legislation and are therefore delegated to exercise prosecutions for prosecutors, investigations with the investigators.
What we see from sub 1 is investigators exercise their powers subject to your control and direction. They're not free agents who go about making decisions, determining what to do in a manner or in circumstances where you have no say over what they do and how they exercise their powers. It's subject to your control and direction.
That is correct.
Yes.
Thank you, Commissioner Balwe. Thank you, Advocate Johnson. While we are on this topic of teams, in the investigation conducted by IDEC that culminated in the arrest of General Khumalo and others, just so we can bed this one, what was the constitution of the team? Which team was responsible for that investigation and subsequent prosecution? And are you able to name the key members of that team, be they investigators or prosecutors? We learn, at least from Colonel Padayachee, that he was the lead investigator. So if you could assist us in populating the rest of the team and to indicate who was the leader of that team. I'd appreciate that. Thank you.
So when the matter had initially come to IDEC, the matter was allocated to a
Name, please indicate what role Perumal played what role.
Grant me a moment just to get my paper, Chair, so that the investigator and would have helped lead of investigators, obviously prosecutors. We had Mr. also an investigator, as an investigator, as the chief financial
Dispute his version when he says before this commission that he did not see the Section 27 affidavit. Do you dispute his version? Do you say he's not telling the truth?
I'm unable to dispute his version because he's in that team. That is why I'm saying I have to ask the questions after the fact.
Thank you.
It's not my place to say he lied. He would have to, he explained as he did, yes.
Thank you. And thank you, Advocate Johnson.
You're still going to be discussing the Section 27 notice. I do have a question, but if it's a topic, you are still going
Section
to cover.
27 affidavit.
Affidavit.
Yes.
Okay.
We're still
Thanks.
going to.
All right, I'll leave my question for now.
Thanks, Commissioner. You gave this long, it's quite a big team. You're informed of, I think, Ayanda Mbalo, Charles Els. From yesterday, you keep referencing Chief Parubal. Chief is not his name, is it?
No, it is the rank, he is Dylan Perumal.
Dylan, thank you. Now, you now have, as I understand, a group of prosecutors. Well, the prosecutors, there are two, and then a group of investigators. Who leads then this entire team? Who's the leader of this particular team?
It is the deputy